And then I started looking into positive psychology and fell in love with the concept. It's okay, it's not what's wrong with you, it's what's right with you, right? It's use those strengths to handle your problems, right? And that my weaknesses were actually underdeveloped strengths. So I could just work on those weaknesses and get better in those areas and improve my overall quality of life. So I kind of looked at addiction as a performance issue, not as a disease, right? A little bit of a different model, right? It was just, I'm not coping with the world. So performance and motivation is the key, and leadership, which is amazing because a lot of the things I bring to my clients come from there, right? It comes from motivation. It comes from leadership. It comes from performance analysis and things like that. You know, I think the concept that we were bringing is we want to meet the client exactly where they're at. We want to help them, and so clients come to us at different levels of stages of change. They come to us. Some of them are, hey, I think I have a problem. I don't need a group. I don't want to come in there. So we're going to be able to provide individual counseling for them to guide them. Brief intervention. Usually they come in for like 6 sessions, either virtually. Most of those are virtual. A lot of those are professionals who are too busy working and they're kind of ashamed to come into a group setting sometimes. The shame is a big issue and we can help them there.